Hey guys, well, I'm not going to tell you what the surprise is since you've already seen the guitar in his hand, and we're going to take it away from here. So Atif, show them what you got, man.
Alright. I think the song is called Yun Hi. Abhi bhi rakha iska naam.
Wow.
So, here it goes. Yun hi खोली तो भरी थी जिंदगी हैरान करी खुली तो भरी थी जिंदगी हैरान करी थी कुछ देर को तो मैं रुका था छूना चाहा तो जा चुका था जिंदगी
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Are you really going to name that song Yun Hi?
Shayad.
Okay, well, guys, there you had it. It's like a brand new track, never been done before by Atif. Seriously, I gotta hand it over to you, bro. That was a great job, and I'm glad that you actually played something new for us.